Let's learn how you can change lock screen on iPhone. So let us open our phone application. Now you can do two things: change your screen and change contacts. I will show you both ways. So for your, you just want to go to your card and click on contact, photo and poster. Now this will be the display or preview of your poster right now. You want to click on edit, create new, and here you can customize everything you want, from photos to camera to monogram. You can also edit both profile picture and like poster or banner picture. When you're finished, you can go back and, for example, you want to find user or contact. Now you want to click on their contact photo and banner. Also, you can just go to Memojis if you want and set something up for them. You can also go to your gallery or just type something you want here, as you can see here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.